Let me ask you a question. Have you ever searched for something on Google? Do you have any idea what Google is? You may not be aware of the fact that Google has the potential to make a lot of money. The steps I will demonstrate in this video will show you how to earn $220 in minutes, time after time without any effort on your part. In this video, I'll show you how to take advantage of this new Google technique. You can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every day by following and executing these procedures. If you're one of those people who's coming from different parts of the world, do not be worried. This opportunity is open to people all over the world, and they pay you using a variety of different methods, such as PayPal, Pioneer, Paytm, Skrill, and bank transfers. Remember to remain connected and watch through till the end of the video because I will show you how to receive free bonus money when you sign up for a new account. And this is going to be a totally new website that I haven't seen anyone else write about before. In addition, I will be teaching you a Google trick on how to set the ultimate Google settings. The results of using this method are 3 times greater than those obtained by using other strategies. Keep an eye out for this special trick that I'll show you in this video and don't miss that out. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. In order to generate hundreds or thousands of dollars entirely through the usage of Google, you must first visit a website named shrinkme.io. This is the first step that you must take. Shrinkme.io is a URL shortener website that will pay you up to $220 for every 10,000 views you receive. To determine whether or not this website is legitimate and true, you can view and open the Payment Option Proof tab. This Payment Proof tab may be found on the upper right-hand side of the website and can be accessed and opened from here. And you will be able to view all of the real-time payments that they have made. You will be able to see that they do not miss any payments and that they pay using a variety of payment options. You will also be able to see how much money they have paid to their users in real time. So back to our homepage of shrinkme.io, as you scroll down further, you will see that there are only 3 simple steps you need to complete on our website in order to begin earning money. The first step is to create and sign up for your account. The next step is that it's necessary for you to begin shortening your links and sharing these links to other people. You will learn how to do this later on in the video. And last but not the least, you must earn your money in order to complete the process. Now there's a catch. I need you to pay attention to this video very carefully because this only works if you follow the instructions exactly, and I'll show you how to do it too. In order to create a free account, simply move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the register button that appears. All you have to do then is sign up for a new membership. For the very first time when you join up for a free account, you'll get $1 credit. It's a freebie for new members. Once you've earned $5, you can start withdrawing your funds. In order to sign up for a free account, simply move your mouse to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you will see a register button. Simply click on that icon to proceed. After that, all you have to do is sign up for a whole new membership. You just need to fill in your username, email address, and your password, and then click on the I am not a robot box and agree with the terms and policies of this website. Now, when you join up for a free account, you will receive a one-time bonus of $1. This is a welcome bonus for new members. After that, once you have earned $5, you can begin withdrawing your money. With the use of my Google Trick method, I'll show you exactly how you can start earning money right now, starting today. Payouts are made on a daily basis. This is precisely why I appreciate this page, because there are other websites where you can make money using the same strategy as you did on this one. However, whereas they pay out every other week, this website will pay out every day, and they accept a wide variety of payment methods in total. As a result, customers from around the world will be able to use this website to receive their payments. Furthermore, because the minimum payout is only $5, making a purchase is a piece of cake. As soon as you have earned $5, you can begin cashing out your earnings into a payment method you like. So let's take a look on how it works. And now we need YouTube to host our videos. We need to search for a video of a very specific topic and we'll copy the link that is being provided. And once we return to the homepage of shrinkme.io, we paste the link into this bar and we will shorten it. As soon as you have shortened the link, you will share the shortened URL across multiple platforms. Then you'll earn money for each and every time someone clicks on your link, which will add up quickly. Now, under the payout rates tab, let me show you the different payment rates that you will receive if people from Greenland click on your link. For example, you will receive $22 for every 1,000 views if people from Greenland click on your link. Your earnings will be $7 if you can get folks from the United States to click on your link. Now you will see people from different countries click on your link and you'll be able to make a variety of different forms of money. The maximum you can make per 1,000 views is $22 if individuals from Greenland click on your link, which is why you want to combine the Google trick. Right now in this video, my main focus is on teaching you on how to select the best YouTube videos in order to maximize your earnings. I'll show you where to look for the best video content online. And then we'll use this website to shorten the link. Then once we've obtained a shortened link, we'll go to Google and use a really special trick to multiply your money and make a substantial amount of money using this strategy. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. We are proceeding to YouTube now. These days, the best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about how to lose weight. So many individuals are interested in finding out how to lose weight. As a result, the most popular videos will be those promoting weight loss. In order to find weight loss videos on YouTube, you'll first put in weight loss videos. Then select this filter located right above the first video and then select this week. In order to find the best performing video this week, we'll look at the most recent fresh content, which you can see here, followed by the most popular video, which you can find just by clicking on the video you'd want to see more. As you look on the search tab of your internet browser, you will see the link to the video. You'll click on this link and then copy the link and we'll head to shrinkme.io right now to complete the process. And then we're going to copy the link and paste it right here into this new tab on the homepage. After that, all you have to do is click on this button after we've pasted the link. Once you click on the button, they'll provide you with a shortened link, which you can see above. So all you have to do is click on this and highlight them. And once again, you'll want to save the URL for later. From the time being, your only option is to return to Google. We're going to look for forums dedicated to weight loss. To find a weight loss forum, simply enter weight loss forum into the search bar. Using this strategy, you'll be able to find a variety of forums where you can post a link because most people who want to lose weight are going to spend their time hanging out and searching for various forums where they can participate in different discussions and learn different weight loss tips. So what you're going to do is sign up for one of these forums, such as this one, and start participating. While this is only one of the examples I want to provide you, by searching for forums on Google, you may find hundreds of other discussion forums. Keep your attention throughout this video because I'll reveal the number one strategy for attracting new people from Greenland to click on your link and therefore increase your earning potential. As you can see in this example, here is the payout rates tab in shrinkme.io. If you get people from, say, like Brazil, you will only get $5. However, if you can get people from Greenland, you will be able to earn 4 times as much money. This is completely insane. Within seconds, I'll demonstrate exactly how to accomplish this. Let's get back to the discussion forum. Once you've arrived at the forum, most of the time you can just join up and register for free. For example, to register in this forum, simply click on the register button. It is necessary to fill out your information. I recommend that you use a fake first name and last name, as well as a username before signing up for an account with the service. There are numerous places where you may repeat the same procedure. The more forums you can locate, the more links you can share out there. And more people are likely to click on your link. But once again, there is a serious issue here. Because when you use this strategy, you have the potential to attract visitors from all over the world to your website. But how can we narrow our target and recruit more people from Greenland, more people from Ireland, and more people from the United States in order to earn more money? This is a secret strategy that I want to show you so that when you do a new search on Google, you will get better results. What you're going to do is first you must click on the settings button, which is located below the search tab. To do this, I went to settings and located the advanced search option, which I then selected. This is where you'll see the regions. If you want to filter them by region, you may do so by selecting, for example, Greenland. By doing so, you can locate a large number of forums that are particular to Greenland. After that, you simply repeat the process again. And that's how you can attract a large number of people in Greenland to click on your link to learn more. However, once again, the forum offered in Greenland is extremely limited. As a result, the second thing you may want to do is do it either for Ireland or United States, depending on your preference. Once again, you can go back to Google and simply return to the settings menu, where you can select the desired country from the list. Using the same strategy over and over again will result to positive outcomes. On YouTube, you can find a variety of weight loss videos to watch. And once again, this is completely legal in every way. This is a legal method to use, and you will not be fined or penalized for doing so because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos on your channel. Instead, you are reposting videos created by other individuals. This is one approach to applying the Google trick, since you can become extremely focused and specialized in a location in order to earn more money at this rate right now. You can, of course, share this link in a variety of ways as well. For example, you can share this link on YouTube, or you can do it in a comment section on YouTube videos. Alternatively, you can do it on Facebook or in any other social media platforms that you may have available. The more people who click on your link, the more money you'll earn. In other words, this is exactly how all of these people from all over the world make their living. This is something that people do on a daily basis. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.